The topic is multiplicative cipher. So let us see the encryption formula for the multiplicative cipher. So the encryption formula is C is equal to P into K mod 26. C stands for the cipher text. So in the encryption, we are converting the plain text which is in the understandable form into the cipher text which is non-understandable. This P stands for the plain text. K stands for the key, and we have written it as 26 because there are totally 26 alphabets. So in the question, two details will be given. The first one is the plain text will be given. So over here the plain text is world, and then the key length will be given, which is 5 for this question. So now let us write all the alphabets from A till Z and number them starting from 0. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now let us number them starting from 0. So 0 for A, 1 for B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. After numbering from 0 till 25, let us draw a table. So the first column of the table is the plain text column. The second column is the index number of the plain text. And the last column is performing the encryption using the formula C is equal to P into K mod 26. So in the question, the plain text was given as world. So each alphabet we are going to split and write it. P1 is equal to W, P2 is equal to O, P3 is equal to R, P4 is equal to L, and P5 is equal to D. That is world. P1 means plain text first alphabet, plain text second alphabet, plain text third alphabet, fourth alphabet and fifth alphabet. Now we must write the index number of the plain text. So for W we must look at the corresponding alphabet number. So for W it is 22. So I should write 22 over here. Next it is for O. For O it is 14. So I should write 14 over here. Next it is for R. For R it is 17. Next it is L. For L it is 11. Next it is D. For D it is 3. So after writing this, we must apply the formula for all the 5. So over here it is going to be C is equal to P into K. Over here the plain text alphabet number is 22 into the key was given in the question, the key length, it is 5. So 22 into 5 mod 26, which is equal to 22 into 5 is 110 mod 26, When we divide this 110 by 26, we'll get a remainder. That is the answer for this. So 110 divided by 26. It will go 4 times. So 104, you'll get the remainder as 6. So the remainder is 6. So this is the answer for the first one. Now we should look at the corresponding alphabet for this number 6. So for 6 it is G. So I should write G over here. Next, for the second one, ciphertext C is equal to plain text number, that is 14, into the key length is same for all, so 5 mod 26, which is equal to, it is going to be 70 when I multiply these two, mod 26. So when I divide the 70 by 26, it will go 2 times, so 52. I'll get the remainder as 18. So the remainder is 18, so that is the answer. The corresponding alphabet for this number 18, I should go and check, that is S. So I should write S over here. For the next, the ciphertext is equal to, the plain text number is 17 into 5 mod 26, which is equal to 85 mod 26. So when I divide 85 by 26, it will go 3 times. So 78 I'll get. So 7 will be the remainder. So the corresponding alphabet for the 7 is H. So I should write H over here. Next, C is equal to, the plain text alphabet number is 11 into 5 mod 26, which is equal to 55 mod 26. So I should divide this 55 by 26. So when I divide 55 by 26, it will go 2 times. So I'll get 52. So the remainder is 3. So the corresponding alphabet for this number 3 is D. So I should write D over here. For the last alphabet, the plain text number is 3. So 3 into 5 mod 26, which is equal to 15 mod 26, which is equal to 15, because the modulus between a smaller and a bigger number, the answer will always be the smaller number only. Here if you see, the bigger number modulus smaller number, it was there. If you're getting bigger number modulus smaller number, then we should divide and find the remainder. If you're getting smaller number modulus bigger number, then we should write the answer as the smaller number directly. Now the corresponding alphabet for this number 15 is P. So I should write P over here. So totally we have got 5 ciphertext alphabets: G, S, H, D and P. So therefore, ciphertext is going to be G, S, H, D, P. G, S, H, D, P. So this is the final answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the new video updates. And please don't forget to share it with your friends. It may be very helpful for them. Thank you.